Hey folks, welcome back to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to share two delicious milkshake recipes with ice cream. Let's get started right away. Let's first see how to make banana milkshake with ice cream. For this milkshake, I'm using one ripe banana and I'm breaking it into small pieces. And then 1 cup of milk, 240 ml. Just add it to the blender, and now I'm adding half cup ice cream. I'm using vanilla ice cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now just blend it all together. There is no set measure for the ice cream. You can add it as per your liking, and same goes for the flavoring agent as well. We like vanilla flavor with banana. And that's it. The milkshake is ready. Garnish it with grated chocolate, and that's it, folks. Now let's see how to make strawberry milkshake. For this milkshake, I'm using 12 strawberries. I have already hulled them and cut it into halves. Now I am adding 1 cup of milk and then 1/4 cup of vanilla ice cream. Now 1/2 cup of chocolate ice cream. We love this ice cream combination, vanilla and chocolate. If your strawberries are not sweet, then add some sugar. And now blend it. And that's it. Strawberry milkshake is ready. Just garnish it with some finely chopped strawberries and nuts. Hope you all like these recipes. Do give it a try and let me know if you are team banana or team strawberry in the comment section. I'll see you next week. Bye.